question or say that give me a next question. You are not allowed to do so. Each person is called up and they are allowed to answer 5 or 6 questions maximum. Based on that, after that the next person comes and sir will also ask questions. Online team and here direct attendees will also have mixed and any question based on their from their what fun they had in the class till which batch, whether US batch or Indian batch, like anything you can ask.
Thank you, that was a very good explanation. Thank you so much. Mirna, you understood?
Thanks, Mitra.
No problem.
Yes, sir.
Vidya, Aditya, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Wow. So Mirna, you are going to be the man in chat because you being the senior most person, how can I afford to miss you? So you will be next. No, before that there is a city officer for you. And,
CBA UK sir.
CBA UK. Okay. Prashant is ready for answering the questions. Anybody from online team can start. Perhaps Kiran, you can start. Come on, Kiran. Sure.
Okay, sir. So, Krishna, have you ever lied to sir that you finished the therapy or you did what he said? Have you ever lied to sir?
I like you very much.
The question is, have you ever lied to sir? It's not about do you like sir or not.
No, I did not like to sir.
Okay, right. Kiran, you have any other question?
For now, no, sir.
Okay,
I'll
next
come
question.
at you.
Yeah, Prabhu.
So this one, what the behavior or characteristics you like from sir?
His speech.
ஒரு வேளை ஆன்சர் சொல்லுங்க.
என்ன இவ்வளவு யோசிக்கிற? I like him by his character and speech now.
Thank you, Krishna. That's it, sir.
And his comedy now.
என்னோட காமெடி வரணும் தெரியும். என்னோட காமெடியா? Okay, right. Hariran, you wanted to ask a question? Go.
In the world, which thing you want to buy from the earth?
Which is the most fondest thing you would like to buy and own?
Sir, nothing, sir.
Right, okay. Answer சொல்லும்போது டீட்டெயிலாக சொல்லுங்க. எத்தனை தடவை சொல்லுங்க? Okay, anyway, next question, Balaji or
Sir,
Ratan, go.
Krishnan, when you were in the lockdown period, Krishnan, when you are not coming for the emergency section before, I think so in the last month, so what were you feeling, Krishnan? When you are not coming to the emergency section, what is your thought about the emergency section?
I'm feeling so bored and very no speechless. No speechless.
பேச முடியாம இன்னும் அவரிடமிருந்து கவனிச்சு ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு பாவம் துரும்பாய் அழைஞ்சு போயிட்டாங்க. So Ratan, that's the answer. His size is the answer for your question. Look at the kind of slimness that Krishnan has acquired. That's because of not attending MSc sessions. Okay.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yeah, Mitra.
Why are you so mischievous? Really mischievous, huh? Because it's my nature. So when you become 22 years also, you will be going according to your nature of being very mischievous? No, ka. No. Why? Because I will get more
Responsibilities.
more responsibilities. Or now you are not having any responsibility of respecting others. I'm respecting you, Akka. Like what is Akka?
No, he's respectful. After I have taught you that you should be respecting others, you are really behaving well. I appreciate that. Okay, after Mitra, who's asking a question? Dakshin, go.
Yes, sir. So, Krishwan, can you hear me?
Yes, no.
So, the question which I'm going to ask you right now is a part of a game known as Impossible Decision Star. I'll give you two options, you have to choose any one. So, my question to you goes like this. So, I'll give you two superpowers, okay? So, you have to choose any one.
Okay, no.
So, this first superpower option which I'm giving to you is the power to read minds, like Sir does. And the second superpower which I give to you is like your ability to fly. So would you rather prefer to fly or would you prefer to read others' minds? Which would you prefer?
Fly now.
Now you will have to manufacture the most heaviest wings on the planet to make that possible, to make him fly. Because no wings on the planet can carry the weight of his body. So, but still he is saying that he wants to fly. So he says fly. So what is the counter question on that, Dakshin?
Yeah, why do you want to fly, Krishwant?
No, to see the nature, it's very pleasant now.
Huh?
So to see the nature, it will be
no
very pleasant.
So many greeneries and
Right. Okay. Next question.
So shall I ask, sir?
Myrna. Yes, Myrna.
Yes, sir. So Krishnan, your question is, which is your favorite spot or place that you would recommend to your friends? It would be any shops or any place like or countries.
Akka, I will say like park America. So we can be very active America.
So any park where we can play,
Yes,
right? So as Myrna asked, there is no specific country or state.
No, sir.
No, not so. Okay. Right. Any other question? You have a question for me? Okay, right. Kalpita.
What is the worst thing you have
What is the worst thing you have
ever done?
ever done? That's a question by Kalpita to Krishnan.
Nice.
Akka, getting beatings from my mom.
Tell me a recent thing for which you got beaten.
Sir, sometimes I will get low marks, sir, for that one also.
So mom hits you.
Yes, sir. The
Dad
rubber
is-
scale, sir. Rubber scale, sir.
Rubber scale.
Because plastic scale will be broken.
Okay.
Then one day, I know him from 2018, sir. One day when I was in Hindi tuition, he was standing near me, sir. From the balcony we were seeing down, sir. His mother was riding and she was going to some shop, sir. She was staring with anger at him, sir. Like this, sir. No smiling, sir. Hi.
He's a fighter.
Hi. She was very staring at her, sir. At him, sir. Uncle was not there, sir. She was staring at him with anger and like he misbehaved with her, sir. Like she started staring.
Right. So he does that for cooling his mom down. Okay, right. Right, so that's Myrna's question. And any other question for Krishnan? Let's go to the next person. Kiran, go.
So Krishwant, have you ever like accidentally harmed someone physically or mentally? If not, then if you were stuck in that situation and like say it was someone in your school, like your principal and your parents come, what would you do? Would you like tell them it was an accident or would you try to sort things out? What would you do, Krishna?
If I will tell it's an accident, but
Don't ask question.
Sir, I have question, sir.
I'm sure Mitra has question. I'm sure Kalpita has question. I'm sure Kiran has question. I'm sure Balaji has question. I'm sure that person who is walking there has a question. I'm sure this person walking there has a question. Okay, so we'll start with Mitra.
I also
Sir, first where are the kids, sir?
have. Not
Harira.
in your sister extreme level fight. It is a fight. What is the reason?
In your sister.
Sir,
Extreme
after
fight.
answering, I will ask, sir.
What an English. In your sister. Extreme fight. Who has heard such an English? Idya, Aditya, Nitin Murugan, you're all living in the US. Kiran, you are living in the US. Have you ever heard such an elegant English? In your sister, which is the elegant fight that you had?
Sir, all countries and states mixed English, sir.
Sir, not elegant, sir. Experience, sir. Wonderful English, Hariharan Anna.
I think it should be like gentleman state.
Yeah, correct. Gentlemen and elegant ladies. Okay, right. Okay, so but the question was a very effective question. Jokes apart, Hariharan did a good job. Along with which was the biggest fight that Ketana had with her sister Vrinda? Yeah.
So we have plenty of fights, sir. Because anyhow it leads to some. If I beat her, if not, I'm not winning. If she beats me, sir. So one day what happened? I couldn't remember for what we have fight, sir. So it was around 2 to 3 years before, sir. I just slapped her in her face, sir. My foot.
Your 4 fingers got imprinted onto the cheek. Wow. Okay.
Didn't she cry? I think that was the last fight, which was so horrible. India little fights.
Ladies and gentlemen, the biggest master child abuser, Ketana.
Then she should be she should be getting arrested, sir.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, Kiran, you can go next. Your question.
So this should be a
Okay, sir. So, Ketanaka, my question to you is, as a sibling, I'm saying this, and I felt this many times with my brother, Ka. And so, have you ever felt that you don't you don't want a sister, Ka?
Overall.
Like after the situations you had, like the fights and the situations you had with your sister, Ka, have you ever felt that you don't want a sister, Ka, or you feel like I'm better off without a sister? Have you ever felt like that, Ka?
No, Kiran. I used to say I don't want, but from my heart, I'm just saying that I really want to mean that. Just for fight, I just say, but I don't want. I need my sister.
Super, Ka.
I have a question. Tell me something that has happened very vulnerably and so much ineffective and harassing personally that you have not revealed to your mom. A girl's best friend is her mom. And something that you have not told even your mom, and till this minute, your mom should not have the revelation of it. And the way you answer the question depends whether I am revealing it to Nitya ma'am or not. Okay? Right. Come on. Something that her mom does not know, a biggest secret or a biggest kind of thing that she has never opened up to the mom.
Sir, if I hide from her, she just find it within 2 or 3 days, sir. She will find it, sir. This was the thing which I think when I was studying fifth, sir. Me and my grandfather went from Kerala. We came to Pollachi to buy some materials, sir. That time we met with an accident. My leg got injured onto me, and this was okay, sir. We went to hospital on a small time. We just went to an hospital. I just came like a cool guy. Not at
Good.
yeah, sir. So not at all. This was known to my mom, and I was not able to bend my knees, sir. I just next day I have my exams, so I couldn't be able to bend my knees. So I just took my books. I just tied it over here, and then I'm just reading. My dad found it. So my dad asked me what happened to you. I just said slip. Stone was there. I didn't see it. It was just slipped, sir. So this was done by my mom as well as my dad, sir. So one more thing is that when I was a kid, my brother was driving a cycle, sir. So I was at back. So when the stone was there, he didn't see it, sir. So when was jumping, I just bent my knees, I just fall down, sir. It just happened. I just got some wounds over here, sir, at the back of my neck. So that time I was a kid, so I doesn't know what to do, sir. I was just That's why I didn't express any feelings over here. My brother said sorry and I didn't say anything. So that time my dad crossed over here, he just asked me. With that upright, my brother said everything to my dad, sir. But the dad said, dad scolded him, sir. So she's a kid, what are you going to do? So this also is don't know by my dad, mom, sir. I just said to my dad that don't say to my mom that she'll be so afraid of it.
Right.
So this was it.
Okay. So I have two threads now for emotional blackmail. So if you are behaving properly, I will not say that to your mom. And if you are not behaving properly, then I will just ignite the light.
Can I also use the thing to it?
Of course, everyone understands. Everyone understands. Okay. Vishnu Priya, what's wrong with your arm?
Sir, I couldn't.
Nothing.
When?
Sir, my mom said.
Today in the morning sports test, you are fine.
After this.
Fracture or something?
No, sir. Between this, sir. Between sprain.
Between sprain and fracture. நகமத்துக்கும் நடுவில் நகமத்துக்கும் காட்டுறதுக்கும் நடுவில் அப்படின்னு சொன்ன மாதிரி between strain and fracture. டாக்டர் போய் இப்படி தான் சொன்னீங்க.
Sir,
அப்பா that's the advantage of your dad being a doctor. Right. அப்போ ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் டெஸ்ட்டுக்கு இந்த காரணத்தை வச்சு வர மாட்டோம். Good, strong girl. அது ஓகேனா? இல்லை நான் ஃபிசியோதெரப்பி ஏதாவது ஹரிஹரன் கிட்ட ஒரே ஒரு தடவை ஹரிஹரன் கூட கிரிக்கெட் விளையாடு. That's the best therapy. And can you do like this?
cricket and football, sir.
ஏதோ ஒன்று.
Okay, you attended online class, wrote homework.
இப்படி போனா
Right. Okay. Dakshin Siddharth, you are next to ask the question to
Sir,
Ketan.
after that, we have this.
Yeah.
Sir, after Mitra time, sir.
Yeah. Okay, Dakshin, then
Thank
Mitra,
you.
then Krishna. Yeah.
So Kirtananta, this is going to be a bit tough. So I'll give you two options again. Would you rather prefer to lose your taste buds or would you prefer to be colorblind? I know it's a weird question, but you have to choose one color.
அனுபவி. ஃபோன் காலையில. ஏய், எங்கடா படிக்கிற இந்த क्वेश्चनல நீ?
Sir?
Where did you get all these questions from?
Sir, like I go through a lot of articles, sir. This is called impossible decisions.
That's
So
nice.
I read a lot of questions like.
Yeah, that's a nice
So
question.
first option is taste buds.
Thank you.
Losing of it. So second one.
Taste bud, losing the taste buds, and then what is the second option, Dakshin?
Being colorblind, sir.
Being colorblind. Tough question. Ketan சாப்பிடாம இருக்கீங்க.
So first option.
Taste buds, losing taste buds. Why? You can explain.
So because so many of them, in my point of view, I just read with some books that the people who doesn't have the taste buds, they never eat, sir. They just eat this, but they don't have a taste in it, sir. I like to try like that, sir.
ஆமா. நீ அப்படியே பயங்கர தினமா இருக்கிற ஆல்ரெடி. இது வந்து
But then for her profession, sir, she needs to see chemicals from
Ah,
sir.
ah, ah.
If color blindness means she won't be able to, sir. And she won't like most of the food, sir. If she loses the taste, but she will, that will be good than she
True,
loses
sir.
the color.
She doesn't like it.
Right, that's a question that's smartly answered. Okay, right. Mitra.
Kaka, first question, Ka. So you have the habit of scribbling wherever you find, Ka. Once in my favorite town you scribbled, Ka. Next in the calendar you scribbled, Ka. I find it very tough to realize that, Ka. Why do you have that habit, Ka?
Don't enter.
Mitra, to be frank, I really don't know Mitra. From my child, not from childhood, when I was studying 4th onwards, I have this habit. I like to give some stop. I like to stop it and just try and make it.
Second question, Ka. So your language is very stylish. From where do you live, like US or UK? We can't at all understand the
UK,
language
US.
sometimes. We can't at all understand the language sometimes. Where did you got that much stylish language, Ka? Sometimes you say something and we blink light and then only we can understand. Where did you get this stylish language, Ka?
From Apache, Akash is go
From my two sir.
Yes, sir.
The most stylish
No, sir.
speakers in the class is Kirtana and Harrier.
Hare Hare, sir. Do you like this?
You have an answer for the question? A question that is not carrying with an answer. Okay, right. So you don't have an answer for the second question. Forgive her. Keshav.
Akka, if you're so angry, whom do sorry.
Come on. If you're so angry, how you are managing that anger?
Sir, no, sir, whom do you so that's it.
Ah. Who will you be venting off the anger to?
Sir, if I have got some anger, I just listen to some music, sir. I never show it to anyone. If I have angry on someone, I just on the music and I used to listen it, sir. If not, I just knock my door and I used to punch it on a wall.
Very nice.
You break it.
So you are going to take this MS evening session to the next level of treating the mentally retarded people, right? I'm ready for that too. I have therapists for that too.
So nowadays I'm just listening to your music alone, sir. Any
ஆமா
music.
அதான் நீங்க MS evening
உட்காந்து விசிறி பாட்டு எல்லாம் கேட்டுட்டு இருப்பாங்க சார்.
MS evening session mentally retarded people center மாத்திட்டேன். Any other question by anybody else in the online team? Idea.
Sir,
Sir, I have.
Once again, Idea, Aditya, you hear me? Do you have any question? You can ask on a very friendly basis. That is the way you develop your own self. You have a question?
Yeah, I have a question with Aditya and I do. So it's
Yeah, you can.
like, what is one new thing that you learned in the quarantine?
What are the biggest things? That's a very good question. What are the biggest things you have learned during the quarantine period? Smart question, Idea and Aditya.
Sir, I learned cooking, sir. So which my grandma taught me. And the second one is we have new construction sites, sir. So I just learned how just a plan of it, a simple thing, sir, how to just be constructed. How I just used to see, sir. And I learned stitching.
Right, that's good. That's good. Pretty good skills, number of skills. Nice. Bravo Aditya, you can go next.
Okay, sir. So, Akka, God has given you a choice that when you are reborn, you can choose a country where you need to born from. So, which country you would choose ka and why ka?
I'll choose India, again an Indian, because India, I'm not opposing any countries, but nearly in Tamil Nadu we have good traditional, I just like it, so I like to born again as an Indian.
Lakshman, you can go.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So, Kitraka,
Yes.
so, like, let me give you two options. So, would you rather prefer music to vanish away from this world, or would you want books to vanish away from this world? Which would you choose? I know that you'll say books only.
அட என்ன ஆன்சர்
You
சொல்லு.
say books to be vanished.
சிரிச்சுக்கிட்டே இருந்தா
Akka, same idea, Akka.
Option A, I want.
I need both.
Akka, no, God,
Wait, you have to.
I lose music.
Super. Cup.
Sir,
Kirtana. Kiran.
no, sir, it's not a question for Keetanaka, sir, but
Okay.
this impossible decision thing, sir, no one can actually like take away music, sir, right? Because every single movement would be like music, right, sir?
Correct, but your brother has got banged somewhere and his head is malfunctioning today. That's why he's asking all these questions.
The reason is, sir,
Hurry.
number two, auntie not leaving him to attend this direct form.
He's facing a pressure that his mom is not allowing him to attend direct class, and that's why he has become so cruel. That's what is my observation.
Then
Sir, that's why this game is called Impossible Decisions, sir. Very hard to choose one.
Right, so we are going for the last question for Kirtana, and the last question, Kalpita.
Sir, I have,
Huh? Who's it?
I do have questions, sir. Miruna, sir.
Okay, Kalpita and Miruna, they both will ask as last questions. Starts with Kalpita. Hating. Hate. Whoa.
Yes,
That's a beautiful question. The question is, tell us one thing that you.
You have been removed from the call another patient.
Patient இல்லடா பாட்டு.
யாருங்க சார்?
யாரும் தெரியல.
Sir,
Who did that? Who removed me? Removed us.
Sir, that was an accident.
That's okay. That's okay. Yeah, the question that Kalpita asked to Kirtana is a real atom bomb. That is, you got to tell the things that you hate in everybody in MS evening sessions, one by one. Hate. The thing that you hate in the members of MS evening sessions, one by one.
So,
Including sir.
Sir, including absentees, sir, and you also.
Including
so
myself.
before I have to say something, sir. So I'm a person where I don't keep any enemies, and I don't fall a mistake from a person, sir. Really, sir. If I ask to my friend circle or my mom, I
I'll
doesn't.
ask to Harshit. I'll ask to Harshit. No.
So if you ask to my mom that she has some enemies, she will say no, sir. So I doesn't know the fault over here.
Sir, anyone, sir, please, sir, Amma, it's not by your skipping two or one thing. And me also, what is this? You have to me also.
Okay, as Kalpita mentioned, start with me. She's going to say what she hates in me.
Sir, afraid of you, sir.
இல்ல அவளுக்கு நிறைய இருக்கு என் மேல. அதனால ஏதோ ஒன்னு சூஸ் பண்றதுக்கு நான் கஷ்டப்படுறேன். As a matter of fact, many people have got lots of hatred in me. So that's why you people are taking a lot of time.
No, sir.
No, sir.
That's a brilliant question.
No.
sir, never and never said.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Oh,
Sir, it's very hard to find coordination.
Oh, yeah? Okay, thank you.
Let's start the promoter. Sir, why are you not start?
Akka, split your mic up.
I start from my sister, sir.
No, that's not all. We know that. We whole universe knows. Your sister's excluded. Come on, we don't have time.
So I'll say both merits and demerits, sir.
From whom?
From everyone.
Okay.
So Mitra, I like her encourage, sir. So when a person falls down, if they lost, a team lost it, she used to encourage them, sir. That thing I just like it, sir. Then the fault which I didn't find, I just know her till 2 years, sir. I didn't find anything over it, sir.
Right.
So Kalpita, so Kalpita over here, I know her for many years, sir, like for 4 years, sir. So the thing she's communicating it, and she began to your elders. I just like it, sir. The demerits of it don't hurt, don't mistake me.
You're thinking of
No, she's finding it difficult. Don't worry. It's okay. It's okay.
I just say the merits alone, sir.
Yeah, merits எல்லாத்துக்கும் தெரியும். But the question was very tricky, but I appreciate the question. In any case, one character element is Kirtana does not want to hurt anyone, and she also says that she doesn't have the hatred. She's a very kind-hearted person, and I believe when she said that she doesn't have any hatred and she doesn't keep any sort of unfortunate things into the mind. So I really appreciate that. Good job. Murna, your question is the last question. Come on.
Yes, sir. So your question is like you have a chance to change the situation. So first option is you could choose an incident that happened in your life and you want to change it. And second is you, even if you want, you could choose some incidents that happened in history or anything in society that you would change, you would want to change.
The first thing, mistakenly. So my dad's death, so which I need to change. If he's not, he didn't die on that moment, I'll be somewhat happy, which I like him a lot. But the history thing, which I need to change, is nothing about the history car, but the personal incident is this alone.
All right. So Kirtana smartly handled all the questions, and I really appreciate. Okay, do you have any questions for Kirtana? All right. Okay. Good job. Good job.
Good job, Akka. You did wonderful.
Thank you, Kiran.
Okay. Now, actually, to inform Kirtana, Idi and Aditya, these people had me also in the chat, and Kiran, kind lady Kiran, had asked me to sit down for a second time, I believe. So we
The first time was trial, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you itself said it was an example, sir.
no, after that I was sitting there, right? So day before yesterday there was a second round in which I was there. Okay, we will go for Miruna and then I'll give a chance to everybody. And I want people like Idaya, Aditya, Miruna and Kavin Karthik to question me. So if you have any questions, please jot down. I will try to give you an example of how to answer. In my direct session, everybody has completed, including Vishnupriya, everybody has completed. So Miruna, let us all imagine virtually that you are in this chair right now. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, boys and girls, Miruna is the next person who is occupying the magical, magnetic, revealing chair. So, who's asking the first question? I have got
Sir, me, sir.
Okay, let's book Kiran Dakshin right now. Kiran, go.
Okay, sir. So, Miranaka, what's one thing you don't like about Resharanaka and what's one thing you don't like about Ritvika?
I never have that kind of thought itself, Kiran, because Reshwar is like a perfect brother to me, like he cares of me, and I never had such a situation to say so. But still, in childhood days, we had some big fightings and all. But when we grew up, the situation like completely changed. Where sometimes, like most of the times, I felt that he's bigger than me, like a bigger. He handles some situations like my big brother. And Ritvika, even with Ritvika, actually to be frank, I don't have any such thoughts like whoever I see. And Ritvika also, I usually get inspired by all my sisters and brothers, so I never had such idea with all.
Okay. Right, that's a smart answer. Dakshin, I'm just sneaking in. If you don't mind, you can ask the question after me, shall I?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Well, Mirna, my question is, it's not a tricky question, but a kind of a question that will give you an integrated feel that you are giving a revelation. Like the girls here, my own daughter and all these people are like my very close friends' daughters. They are almost about 6 or 7 years younger than you. Have you ever felt in MS evening sessions that you are in a wrong place where you are, okay, this guy has been training engineering students and MBA students, but in his clinic he is teaching only the teenagers. I am a little senior person, I am not fitting in. So have you ever felt that you are not fitting in? And if you have been feeling so, you haven't felt, not even a single time?
No, sir. Like when I was entering into the session, when I heard when my aunt said about the session, she said already like that will be only kids, not college students. That is the main reason why I entered here, because they are the youngsters and they will be having a fresh mind. So I still believe that in one skit there was a magical pen, like the thing which we used in childhood days. Like suddenly they were able to implement it in the skit, what we are seeing in the day-to-day life. So they have the fresh mind and they have the capacity to like immediately respond to it. So I think the main reason I came here was that I wanted to mingle with such fresh minds and young minds.
Okay. Now, tell me, when you look into Kirtana, Mitra, Kalpita, Vishnupriya, Mridulabhashini, Dakshin Siddharth, Kiran Nandita, what is that quality in these people you find that were not present in Miruna when she was in that age? When Miruna was like Kalpita, when Miruna was like Mitra, when Miruna was like Kiran, something that was not present in Miruna, but it is very much imperially present in these people too.
I think it would be knowledge, sir. Maybe I was, but I had no platform to like express it or a situation to express it. So I was like very playful and kiddish girl where when I see these people at that same age are like very knowledgeable about that many technologies and all, sir.
That's good. Okay. Smart answer. Dakshin Siddharth, you can go on.
Thank you, sir. So, Mirnaka, I want you to reveal an incident which happened in your life where you were offended by someone and you wanted to say that straight into his or her face, but you didn't do it, maybe because out of respect or like you wanted to maintain a decent figure. Wanted to tell it.
No, I'm a straightforward person. If I don't like, I would straight away say it. So I don't keep in my mind and store it, and at the last, like expressing that and all with other, like the person who was not at all involved in that sequence will be affected by that. So I never, that situation I never wanted to be happen. So whenever if I don't like it or I like it or I don't like it, I will reveal it.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
Vishnupriya had a question. Vishnupriya, go.
So Mirnaka, my question is like you have to share with us an incident where you was acting so crazy and you were so funny to everyone.
Basically like Vishnupriya. Vishnupriya என்ன கேக்குறானா என்ன மாதிரி நீங்க எப்ப இருந்தீங்க crazy funny.
That's what Vishnupriya, like in your age, I was a crazy and funny person roaming, like not at all caring about anything. The situation will be very serious at that time. I will be going and laughing and getting scoldings from my parents.
During serious times.
Yes, sir. Especially my thought, the creativity will come one day at that time, sir.
Mirna, do you mean to say that during serious times you'll go laugh away and people will laugh at you, people will scold you?
Yes, sir. Like there is a distance about something seriously, sir.
Go ahead.
Something like they have to take a decision at that time that like that situation will be there, sir. I'll go and talk about something which is not even relevant to it, sir. So my parents will be asking like, "Idi inda naatla romba avasiyama," like that. Sir.
I would like to share an incident which I do.
Yeah, sure.
Sir, I used to do the same thing, sir.
Right.
Even now.
Right.
Sir, sometimes if I am so sad or if I want to like show something, sir, even if they are my batchmates at 9th, sir, I call them Anna, I call them Akka, I call them sir, I call them.
So we called it for 1 year. So where our teacher said, you need to call your
Male counterparts as Anna.
yes, sir. So we called us for one complete year as bro. They called us a sister, sir. Because it was funny, sir. It was nice. 7th grade.
One more thing, sir. Whenever I get angry or whenever I get emotional or whenever I get happy, sir, all that I want to show that time, sir, while I am speaking the 2 acts, sir, first I will shout at whomever I am getting angry, sir. Then the second one, if I am getting emotional, I start crying, sir.
Yes, sir. Even we have a weird art, like sounding so me, Rachel, and Vitashri and Ritvika, sir. Like we are all together or like we are separate. There will be no time, sir. We'll be sounding like weird persons, sir. Like owling and all, sir.
Right. Yes.
Sir, one thing, sir. In the serious moments only I'll be laughing, sir, and I laugh for no reason. That too, especially in 7th, sir. There are 5 to 6 girls and 3 boys, including me, the
ஆனா எனக்கு ஒண்ணு மட்டும் புரிஞ்சிருச்சா, நீங்க எல்லாருமே மாடர்ன் ட்ரெஸ் போட்ட மென்டலி ரிட்டார்டட் பர்சன்ஸ்ங்கிறது இன்னைக்கு தாண்டா புரிஞ்சுது. ஒருத்தி என்னடான்னா நான் போய் கோவம் வந்ததுன்னா குத்துவேன்றா, இன்னொரு பொண்ணு என்னன்னா நான் தூக்கத்தை எழுந்துச்சு மிரட்ட வேண்டுது, இன்னொரு பொண்ணு என்னது அப்படின்னா நான் சீரியஸா எல்லாரும் வந்துட்டு கோவப்பட்டு இருக்கும்போது போய் சிரிச்சு ஜோக் பண்ண வேண்டியது, இன்னொன்று என்னன்னா நான் யாருக்குமே என்னமே சொல்லாம நாங்க குரூப் ஆஃப் மெம்பர்ஸ் சிரிச்சுக்கிட்டே இருக்கோம். ஆமா, இது ஹரிகரன் எல்லாரும் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கீங்க.
And I was laughing for no reason that time also, sir. She said to get out. That time also I was laughing.
Okay.
And she said to go and meet the principal, sir. So I
You
was
went and laughed at
and he also started laughing and said, "This is the last time, sir." And again I did the same, laughed in front of him, sir. That is one trick I have, sir. And in Hindi tuitions also I do the same. Sir, sometimes, sir, I don't study and go. So she will say, it is a surprise.
Sir, actually in this class I called one person as Anna, sir. He is in my age. Balajana. Oh yes.
Varshana. Okay. Right. Okay. With whatever Vishnupriya, Kalpita and Miruna had mentioned, I got some serious thinking to make hereafter in sessions training. Right, let's see. Okay, next question to Miruna. You have.
She asks.
Mirnaka,
Yes, Kirtana.
whereas college life, do you have faced many struggles over there? So you just pick a struggle where you need to overcome, but you didn't overcome it.
I think I never give up, Kirtana, so I will try my best to do it, because struggling when entering into that engineering college itself was a struggle to me, because I thought it would be so tough and all. So I knew I could overcome it, and other than that, if there is some situation which I have not turned back, I will try to complete it, or I will try to give my best.
Right. Right, that's good. Very nice. Never say the attitude is a good one. Any other question towards Miruna? Mitra.
So Mirunaka, on the first day you joined this class, we were in a team, sir. You ka, then myself, then Varshanana were in a team ka. And at that time we did not have Reshwarana or Vitashri or Ritvika ka. You were the only person ka. So how did you feel and how was the experience when you had the team discussion ka? Because you were very, you felt a bit comfortable and you said, yeah, okay, you kept saying that ka. And you also triggered some ideas about arranging a job mela and like that ka. So how was your experience on that day ka?
My experience while starting, actually I'm a shy person. When you were saying that, I never felt so like you were doing it bold. Everyone compliments that, but actually I'm a shy person. So as I said, from child, like I'm a talkative person, at the same time I'm shy too. I don't know what kind of combination I am. So that was my feeling at that time, but when I felt like I have taken many steps to overcome it. I don't have stage fear, but I feel shy while standing on the stage and all. So when I heard that compliment that I was bold, I was very happy. So that was the thing I thought that day.
Right.
Mirunaka, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir.
Akka, have you ever ragged or been ragged, sir?
Your ragging experience. Have you ever been ragged and have you ever ragged your juniors?
No, sir. Our campus is a ragging-free campus, sir. Even if we look at the juniors, they will go and complain, and then we will be in the problem. So we don't even look at the juniors.
Okay. Right. So Miruna, very handsome answers. I really appreciate.
Thank you, sir.
Good job.
Great job ka.
Great job, ka.
Great job, ka.
Nicely done, Ka.
Great job.
Sir, actually one day I don't know which day, sir, he was calling me, sir, in online, sir. I wasn't crying, sir. I was laughing, feeling
Okay, so you can ask me whatever the pending questions. Ritvika said she had some pending questions and she will ask this. Ritvika is here? Idea, you have any questions for me? Aditya?
Who do you like most in MS?
I have 21 people in Indian batch and 10 people in, no, 12 people including you in the US batch. So my institution has got about 33 people. Each and every single person I like, because I'm not lying, every single person I like. For each person there is a very crucial reason why I like. For instance, I like Idea for the way she kept cool. You know, I scolded Idea and Aditya twice so far, ever since you have joined. So the cool temperament that you both maintain, for that I like you. And Nitin Murugan, I like his attitude. I always call him as a cub, a small tiger, because he comes up with lots of good ideas whenever a kind of skit is being designed. Dakshin knows that. So he comes up with instantaneous ideas, irrespective of, regardless of the point that he is a very tiny kid. Likewise, I have got every single reason for everybody. So I like everybody, Idea and Aditya.
May I ask a question to you?
Sir, can I, sir?
Okay, Dakshin, Kiran, Kirtana, Kalpita. So we'll start with Dakshin.
Sir, it will be very hard for you, sir. But you have to give me one answer, sir. A day with conducting MS evening sessions or a day without going to gym, sir?
A day without conducting MS evening sessions is hard for me, because going to the gym is kind of towards my soul. Gym is my therapy. You know, this morning after finishing the sports test, I hit the gym, and that was hell a lot of fun. I put up a lot of weights and I really enjoyed. And I remember when I was doing the lat pull down mission, I shouted in my own self that I miss this so much because of Corona days. So I was loving, and when I came back, I was coming like a monster with the muscles all pumped up. I came back one day at 10 o'clock, and the gym owners were waiting for me to close the gym, and they closed the gym by 9:45. But I was hitting the iron, and I was asking them, "Is it time?" I said, "Illa sir, neenga panunga." Again at 9:50, I asked them, "Is it time?" "Illa sir, neenga panunga." And again at 10 o'clock, "Is it time?" "Ama sir." Then they closed it. But that is not that much important now as far as MS evening session is put into comparison, because in case of gym, it is only my muscles. But if I miss an MS evening session day, it is almost about 21 people's mind. So missing one day of one single person's muscle building is not that much important than missing 21 people's mind going untrained. So a day without MS evening sessions will be very painful for me. And you know it. I always work even on Sundays. The very reason I called Sunday yesterday off was I wanted to do the Green Opal skit, and I had to do Hariharan's video, special video. So I took a little special time. So I cannot sacrifice MS evening session. And to answer your question, the worst thing would be a day without MS evening sessions.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
That was not
You're
hard.
so generous.
Thank you. Kiran.
Sir, who was your biggest inspiration to start this MS classes, sir? Like this MS evening classes, sir?
To answer that, Kiran, I don't have any inspiration on that point. My own self. My inspiration was my own self. Because at one point of time, I still remember the date, it was August 21, 2003. When I was working in Mahalingam Engineering College as a professor, and during this time by 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock I report to the office, I punch my thumb in the biometric device and my attendance gets registered. By 5 o'clock I finish. But the time I will be very happy will be between 5 and 7:30 p.m. Because MS evening sessions really started there. The evening session, Youth Corp evening sessions really started there in the campus. Everybody finishes, the final ring of the college rings, and then some 50 students will come running to me. And secretary will give us a hall. and I will be having the key of the hall. And I will start training them. We will have a lot of fun. Start training them on how to attend group discussions, how to attend the interview when it comes for the campus recruitment and all that. Those times I used to think, why don't we do this on our own by having whichever children is interested. You know, here in this college of 4,500 people, some 500 people are interested in evening sessions and they are coming batch by batch. I used to have 11 batches, each batch containing over 50 people. So why not we do this on an individual basis? You know, that was one of the triggering points where I came as a freelancer. In 2007, before Mitra born, you know, my entrepreneurship and my business is Mitra's age. On June 1, 2007, I started working as a freelance entrepreneur, and on July 21, 2007, this little monkey is born. So my profession is 53 days elder than even my daughter. So that's very important. So the inspiration, if you ask, that moment I had an MCET between 5 to 7:30, that moment was the inspiration, nobody else. I still remember, and most of the people got placed. The best sweet music is when I am little down or something. I don't get down, but when there are some occasions where I will not be motivated to work. Mitra would ask me, Appa, on the time, why don't you watch a couple of your movies? And I will not be interested to watch some movies as well. During that time, I will go to the email, and some people, யாராவது ஒருத்தர் எங்கிருந்தாவது எனக்கு மெசேஜ் பண்ணிப்பாங்க. Sir, you know me, you remember me, I am so and so, and I am working in this particular country, I am working in this particular company, and I still remember when you trained me on how to overcome stage fear. Now that would be $1 million kind of happiness. So for all this, inspiration was the session that got started in Mahalingam College of Engineering.
Super, sir.
Thank you.
That's great to hear, sir.
Thank you.
Sir,
Ha.
we have to leave for school.
Right, okay. See you on Wednesday in the US batch, Vidya and Aditya. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye, Aditya. Keep shining your strong. Have an awesome day.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, dear Nancy.
Now they are behaving much better. Okay, right, keep it.
So what Kavita is asked to me, I'm going to ask to you, sir. So you need to say demerits of each and every one, because if I say that, it may be somewhat like a personal event that she said like that. If you say like there may be a change.
Are you all ready for it? Seriously?
Yes, sir.
Good thing, not bad thing.
That they have to change.
So at least you can say good thing also.
Yes,
Bad
sir.
thing is must.
Somebody?
Can you please repeat the question, sir? I couldn't hear it. It was breaking up for me.
Kirtana will repeat.
So Dakshin, I just asked them to say each one demerits of each of them.
The question that Kalpita asked to Kirtana. The demerits
Oh,
are
yes. Okay, sir.
I'll say the good things, online people.
Sir, bad things, sir. Sir, bad things, but if you want, you can also say good things, sir. But bad things is necessary, sir.
You have to start with the bad.
Or else you can say both, sir. You can give equal weightage to both merits and demerits.
Whom shall I start with?
We're all face-to-face attendees, sir.
Kalpita gives a suggestion that I should start with Mitra. Well, I have already spoken a lot of things, good things about Mitra, so but yet I would like to start with a good thing about Mitra, not as a father, but as a trainer. Forget for a moment that I am your father. As a trainer, I always find Mitra being so mature, and she has this wonderful quality of handing appreciations to every single person out of the bottom of the heart, so that everybody knows. But apart from that, there is one good nucleus thing in Mitra, which even I don't have. I'm a very wicked person, as you all know, but Mitra is not like me. So she never takes things personal. This morning, something happened, and I know that she was upset on something. That is, a couple of people did not, couple of her friends who are not belonging here, couple of people did not respond to her wish, responded to her idea generation, and they did not literally represent or react or properly respond for her polite way. I would like to give a particular anecdote. You know, in front of all of you, I spoke to Ritan Nitish that Ritan was not very good in terms of giving a WhatsApp reply for our next message that Mitra texted. For that, I scolded Ritan Nitish. So likewise, there are a couple of people who are doing right now, today, this morning. And she handled it so well. She handled it so well. And when I was asking so much of questions, she asked me only one question. Why are you bothering so much? These are little kids. So I know how to handle things. So leave it to me. Even I am not caring about their response. Why are you caring? So that gave me a message. So this is something that I observed today in her. But enough of good things. But Kirtana's question's biggest core is tell the bad things. I don't have bad things, but the thing that can be improved. She's very sensitive. So when I am speaking a little bit with harsh face, she is not able to tolerate it. And that too can be accepted, but there is something that more than me, I basically believe that to her mom she has to be very, very kind. Because Mitra's mom is 1,000 plus to the power of infinity better person than me. She is a very nice woman and she is a very good human being. So after my mom, I respect her so much. But Mitra is not respecting in a way. Of course, she's behaving as a friend, but that is too early. She has to give more respect to her. That's what I feel. That's a bad thing in Mitra, and she will change it. As far as the MS evening sessions is concerned, well, she is always on the top notch. I will never give up my daughter on that. She does everything on a perfect basis. I can stick my neck out and say that. But personally, this is the only thing that I want to say.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Online, direct. So, online, I would start with Myrna, the senior most person. Myrna's good thing is her adaptiveness, and she answers everything so well. But the thing that Myrna has to improve upon, the scope of improvement is, there are some areas where Myrna has to improve upon the consistency. She is having some prematured thoughts that she has a stereotype thinking. And the best part is the stereotype thinking is affecting her also. Okay, நம்ம டிரைவ் பண்ணுவோம், நம்மளுக்கு இப்படி தான் வேலை கிடைக்கும், நம்மளுக்கு எவ்வளோ தான் சேலரி கிடைக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு she has limited belief system. That Myrna has to take away. So that's a point. Moving on to Balaji, the another senior most person. Balaji has got a lot of good things. He's a very strong guy, and he's mentally strong and physically strong too. And the thing that I would like to expect Balaji to improve upon is the eye contact. And looking at people and greeting people and trying to wish. Every time Balaji's dad, when he meets me every month when he pays the fees, Balaji's dad does not pay the fees via net banking. He always makes it as an opportunity to come and meet me. And he comes and meets me and he says that everything is okay, my son is really improving because of you. Because of you, more than my suggestions, more than his mom's suggestions, he's obeying you so much. In fact, even then, Rajini ma'am, he's obeying you so much. But an eye contact mattu varamatengu sir. Please do something about it. He keeps on saying that every month, every single month. And he came back, September 27th when he came to pay the fees, he says that. So that's something that I want Balaji to improve. And coming back, Kalpita. She's a very sweet person. I like the kids very much. There are plenty of good things. The best part about Kalpita is I like her silent behavior. She performs when she is supposed to perform. Sports are not necessary, India are not necessary. She raises her voice when she is supposed to raise her voice. But one thing that I want Kalpita to improve upon is she should forget the fact that she is an egotistical person. Yes, of course, she is now tamed, but she thinks that she is an egotistical person. The mere fact of forgetting that will make her even more better. So I expect Kalpita to do that. Apart from that, she is a good master kid. I really like him, and there are plenty of good things in that kid. Now coming to Dakshin Siddharth. Well, Dakshin Siddharth, you find it so difficult to find any bad qualities in Dakshin Siddharth. He's a very nice fellow, and he always tries to give more encouragement. Your people appreciate Mitra for encouragement, but Dakshin is a master encourager. He never insults anybody. And ironically speaking, after Mitra, if there was someone who had a little bit of tinge of respect towards Hariharan and Balaji, it was Dakshin Siddharth first. He always boosted Hariharan. And Hariharan is very next to me, you can even ask him, cross-question him. This guy always wants to be in the team of Dakshin Siddharth. Am I right?
Yes.
Because he likes him so much, because of the simple point that Dakshin, அவன்கிட்ட என்ன ஒரு குவாலிட்டினா, யார் வந்து ரொம்ப இக்னோர் பண்ண பாடுறாங்களோ அவங்களுக்கு சான்ஸ் கொடுக்கணும்னு நினைப்பான். And this is his mom's quality. This is my friend's quality. I know. So that thing is a great leadership intent in Dakshin Siddharth. I really appreciate that. But the point that I want Dakshin Siddharth to improve upon is there are some areas where he is super fast in delivering things. And sometimes the kid forgets that others should also be given the opportunity. Others should also be given some sort of ingredient to be working upon. ஆனால் நீ சொன்னீங்கன்னா அப்படின்னா ஆமாம் சார் சார் அது ஒன்று இருக்கு நான் மறந்துட்டேன் சார் அப்படின்னு தான் சொல்லுவான். பட் he is not doing it on an intentional basis. So Dakshin, if you are working on that, I think you will have a lot of heights to reach. That's what I would like to say. Kirtana. Well, Kirtana has been coming across lots of personal storms, and she has been individually harassed in terms of mental factors when she faced her dad's demise. And she was altogether a different person 2.5 years back. Happy-go-lucky person and a lot of attitude, egotistical attitude. Her eyes spoke like, okay, if I have come to you, if my mom has come to you for the counseling purpose, do you think you can really change me? Nothing is going to happen, okay, so go to hell. This was the first kind of eye contact that Kirtana gave me when she came and sat over there 2.5 years back. But you know what I will do? I will break the attitude when the attitude comes and stands in front of me, whoever it is, no matter whoever it is. But after that, some transition happened in that kid. It was totally magnanimous. So she is seeing me with a lot of respect. And one thing that I would like Kirtana to change is there are areas where Kirtana believes so hardly that she cannot do certain things definitely. No matter who trains her, no matter how many hours are spent, நம்மளால இந்த விஷயத்தை செய்ய முடியாதுங்கிற சில விஷயங்களை உறுதியாக நம்புறோம். I want that to be taken off. And another thing is, I want Kirtana to take Dad's demise as a very big strength, a very big blessing in disguise, which is what I am doing. I am considering my dad as my messenger towards God. So if these two things are really made as a little bit of a transword shift, Kirtana will be doing a wonderful job. So that's about me. Mridubhashni, my own niece, a very sweet kid. My elder brother is everything to me. My cousin brother Nambikumar is also everything to me. And I have never seen difference between my elder brother Dinagaran Sundaresan and my cousin brother Nambikumar Chandrasekharan. They both are like two eyes for me. Mridubhashni is a very, very sweet kid. But there are sometimes I feel Mridubhashni is going out of my grip. She is going out of my grip.